everyone! Welcome back to the English Boost podcast. Today's topic is something that can seriously speed up your English learning. Thinking in English.
Many students ask, how do I stop translating in my head? In this episode, you'll get practical, simple steps, beginner and intermediate, friendly that you can start using right away.
Let's start with the basics. What does thinking in English actually mean?
It means using English in your mind before you speak. No translation from your native language. No stopping to find a word, just letting English flow naturally.
You don't need to think in full sentences right away. You can start small with words and simple ideas.
Beginners can start by naming things around them in English. For example, table, phone, cup, window, keys.
You don't have to make a sentence. Just say the word in your mind to train your brain to connect the object directly to English.
When ready, move to mini sentences. I drink water. The dog runs. I am tired.
Short, simple, and easy to think quickly.
Try describing what you're doing in English. I'm cooking. I'm walking. I'm opening the door. You don't need to say anything out loud. Thinking silently is enough.
Set a timer for 5 minutes every day. During that time, think only in English. No pressure. No perfection, just English.
Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Intermediate learners are ready for deeper thinking. Try making decisions in English, such as, what should I eat today? How can I improve my job skills?
It feels strange at first, but it really accelerates fluency. Look at a person or an object and make a short story in English. For example, the man is waiting for a bus. Maybe he's late for work.
Storytelling helps your brain connect ideas smoothly in English. Try making your internal voice speak English.
It's like turning on an English mode in your brain. Use English podcasts and shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating what you hear at the same time or slightly after. This improves fluency, pronunciation, and thinking speed. Many learners say, I think too slowly in English. That's okay, speed comes later. Focus on consistency first. Others say, I don't know the words. Use simple English. Don't think, I'm exhausted. Think, I'm very tired. Be patient. Thinking in a new language takes time. You don't need perfect grammar in your mind. Just keep the English flowing. Thanks for listening to the English Boost podcast. Hopefully these tips help you start thinking in English every day. If you enjoyed this episode, follow for more practical English lessons. See you in the next one.